When optimal efficiency and accuracy are crucial to your project, Ahern's Plumbing Fabrication and Assembly Shop is here. Our state-of-the-art shops make even the most challenging project deadlines manageable. We have a combined square footage of 418,000 square feet, with over 36 acres of laydown yard across our Appleton and Fond du Lac facilities. We offer a wide range of capabilities in order to deliver high-quality plumbing components to your project site and reduce your on-site labor schedules while simplifying installation to keep your project running smoothly. We provide a wide range of components, from common assemblies to fully prefabricated underground plumbing and medical gas head walls. At Ahern, we believe in using the best tools to get the job done efficiently without sacrificing quality. Thanks to equipment like our iron worker machine, we're able to get your job done with less time, less tooling being consumed, and lower cost. As part of our commitment to quality, Ahern provides fully controlled shipping with high delivery standards, as well as in-shop pressure and leak testing. Ahern's track record for producing high volumes of quality products with fast turnaround times and on-time reliability is what has helped us stand out as an industry leader in plumbing prefabrication.